Michael with St. Cecil Experts, Restorative Wood Products, the Mustache Contractor. Again, we're out here, we're doing a little cleaning this week, a lot of cleaning actually. This is what the fence looks like. We got a garden here with some metal goats. So on this fence right here in front of me, on the other side of this garden, we're only doing this side. There's a neighbor, the neighbor is taking care of the other side, and he's got a pool over there. And you can probably see some of the pool equipment, and got a little grill and a little patio. You got to watch out for those things when you're doing this. Overspray and stuff like that. And here's something else that's on this property too. These replaced pickets, you get these replaced pickets out here, they are not going to be the same shade no matter how hard you try. It's just not going to happen. But you can get darn close, and just make sure that you tell your customer that before you start the project. And our customer here, he's very aware of that. So he's completely saturating each picket, each board on this fence, and it's basically getting out all the dead cell wood and any dirt, anything else that's in there. And I'll show y'all what he does when he gets down here to the end of this panel. He gets all the vertical surface first. That's just the way he does it. That's just the way he likes to go about it, which it works out pretty good. It's not time consuming. It makes the process real easy. So you'll see right here, he's gonna get to this post. And he just nice and easy strokes, nothing fast about it. That way he covers everything. So he's gonna go to the top of that post. There he goes. This is what it looks like right here. And the top of the fence looks the same. If I can get it up there. That's just our chemical mix is real light. It's not real heavy, and it's doing the work.